Good morning, good morning, good morning. I wanted to come before you and thank my subscribers. Thank you for the wonderful response to this updo that I did. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking, sharing, and especially for the wonderful comments. I love the interaction. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not going to call names today, but I want you to know that if you have not joined this family, we welcome you in. Come on, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a video and you can interact with me for a little while. Just spend some time with me. Now, this hairstyle has gotten a lot of response from friends, family, and subscribers. And I did this hairstyle without pins. I did this hairstyle after being inspired by a style that was worn by Lena's Lovely Locks. It turned out nothing like hers, but I'm going to give a 360 so you can see what it looks like now after me wearing it for 3 days. It still looks pretty good. I am going to change it up a little bit because you know this hairstyle was done without pins. Take a look at what I already have. I'm going to take this, just pull it down because there's no pins. And I could slide it here for a slightly different look. I could take it to the other side, and all I'm doing is tucking it into a back twist. That's all I'm doing, is tucking it into a back twist. That's all. I like this. I'm going to take it down. And none of these I've done before, so I'm just doing these to see what I can do for a different look. I'm going to take this one back. Okay. And again, I am tucking it in to one of the back twists. And this is the look that I have. I think this is like one of those Grace Jones look. Okay. Now, what if I were to do this? One end is in one twist, and another end is tucked to an additional twist. And that's my look. Just trying to make sure that it is secure. Totally different hairstyle. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. Have a great day.